All right, I had POD number 11, family reunion. I started by making a answer key so I wouldn't get confused when I was doing the problem. So we started the problem with, at one family reunion, every niece was a cousin. So I went down, skipped down, and I figured out that there were 30 nieces total. So I knew that the column that said niece and cousin, which is B, should be 30. All right. So next it said half of all aunts were cousins. I knew that there were 50 aunts because it told me in the problem. So half of that is 25. So the aunt and cousin, which is D, should say 25 in it. All right. So next it said that half of all cousins were nieces. So we're going to come back to that one because we're going to have to do some math for that one. All right, so it says also that no aunt was a niece. So the aunt and niece column, which is F, should be 0. And also the column that said cousin, aunt, and niece should be 0 because the problem didn't state that either person was all three. So we have 2 zeros right here. And I also know that my aunt, like I said, there were 50 aunts, and we knew that there were 25 right here. So I did 50 minus the 25 to give me the number of total aunts. All right. And so with the nieces, I had 30 nieces. I knew that these two columns for my nieces were 0. This one was 30. And if there were 30 total nieces, then I knew that there had to be 0 only nieces. All right, so back to the problem where it says half of all cousins were nieces. So that means that there were 60 total cousins, even though the problem didn't give me that. So I took this one, the cousin and nieces, all 3, and the cousin and aunts, and I added those together. So 30 plus 0 plus 25 is 55. I took the 60 and subtracted the 55, and that left me with 5 cousins only. The question says, how many cousins were neither nieces or aunts? And that would be the 5 that were only cousins.